These are the elevators at the 12 of Walnut Garage, the Moines, Iowa. Let's go to 10. These are KONE from 2002. Here we go. It's your Eco Desk. Whoa, these are fast. Love the KSS 220 chime. Doors open. Let's go back down to 1. Door closed bar works. I really love that. Nice elevators. Nice cab. Your fixtures. Innovation Hoosier fixtures. There's a phone down there. Fasten scrolling arrow. A lot of people here. So let's cut it off now. That's it.